you are resilient, if you have a center, if you take what we have taught you, you will persevere and your confidence will make you the person that you need to be in this brave new world.
What was the best thing that you enjoyed about Unity?
Probably all the people that are here.
My favorite moments in my studies were definitely my projects that I worked on with my peers. I never felt like I was disconnected to everybody that I was in class with. I really enjoyed that.
Welcome, graduates. You are our honored guests. You are Unity College's most important partners and a Unity College family member for life.
And although knowing there were definitely accomplishments, completing a degree at Unity would help me feel whole and shape who I wanted to become again. A person with knowledge, a person with purpose, and the confidence to not only enhance myself, but my family, my community, and my world.
Unity College has been a significant part of my life. I've spent 5 years here as I was an undergraduate before COVID struck, and now I'm here with my master's. And without Unity, I would not be the person that is standing here today.
You are going into this brave new world, are going into a world where everyone is going to have an opinion on what you do and what you say. And nothing you're going to do is going to be right to everyone. So what is your moral compass? What is your center? And remember, you are a Unity College graduate, and no one can take that away from you. Congratulations, class of 2022. You deserve it.